Welcome back to the Sharon Show. Today, all I have to say is, for you sellers out there, name your price. Stay tuned. So when I say name your price, I mean name your price. The market is on fire right now. I just did all of the recent activities for this current year, now that we're hitting the 6-month mark. And then I took what happened last year, and I always track one certain area. It's up over 12%. And in that price point, it was $100,000. So the difference between 2020, which was already a great market, and the first 6 months of this year, sellers could have an extra $100,000 in their pocket. So really what that means to you as a seller, if you're thinking of selling anytime in the next year or two, you really should consider making it sooner than later. We don't know what the market's going to do later, but we certainly know what it's doing now. And it's just increasing. We're still seeing all of the multiple offers out there and sellers just really naming their price. So let us know what your goals are and we can let you know what we can do to help you.